Now students, as in the last video we have discussed with the linear inequalities case 1 of rational function. So rational function means numerator upon denominator. Now we will deal with the second type of rational function. So we are given 2x minus 5 upon x plus 3 less than equal to 1. Remember, here we are having 1. In the last example we were having 0 here, so it was easy to compare with positive or negative. Here we are having 1. So our first step will be to make this 1 0. So how to make this 1 0? So we will transpose this 1 to the other side, or you say subtracting 1 from both sides. So I subtracted 1 from both sides, so we got 2x minus 5 upon x plus 3 minus 1 less than equal to 0. On solving this, what we obtained x minus 8 upon x plus 3 less than equal to 0. This means numerator upon denominator is less than equal to 0. Means rational function is negative, or you can say non-positive, because it is less than equal to. Right? Now here we have equality sign also. So this also has to be kept in mind. So how it is to be kept in mind? To see, this rational function will be less than equal to 0 again in two cases. So this is possible only when case 1, numerator is greater than equal to 0, denominator less than 0. Now see, I am taking numerator as positive or 0 and denominator less than 0. Denominator will never be equal to 0, because if denominator is equal to 0, the function will be not defined. Now in this case, numerator is non-negative, denominator is negative. So we will obtain the rational function as non-positive. Similarly, case 2, numerator is less than equal to 0. Again see, equality is with 0. Denominator is greater than 0. Now numerator becomes non-positive, denominator is positive. So in this case also we will have this. Now how we will solve? To see case 1. Case 1 is कि numerator is greater than equal to 0 and denominator is less than 0. Means x is greater than equal to 8 and x is less than minus 3. When we located it on the number line, to see on the number line we are having here minus infinity and here it is infinity. Now what we see, when we locate it, to x greater than equal to 8. Greater than equal to 8 means 8 is included. Included means filled circle towards it and then towards infinity. X less than minus 3, empty circle at minus 3 and then towards minus infinity. So what we notice, कि we are not getting any common solution. So if there is no common solution, it means x belongs to 5. 5 means empty set, null set. Now case 2. Case 2 is if numerator is less than equal to 0, denominator is greater than 0. So we are taking numerator less than equal to 0, denominator greater than 0. So what we notice कि x is less than equal to 8 and x is greater than minus 3. So here we will again locate on the number line the type of solution. X less than equal to 8 means at 8 empty filled circle and then stretch towards minus infinity. This is stretch towards minus infinity. Then at minus 3 we are having filled circle, and then what we will do, we will stretch the line towards infinity. Now what we notice कि this region is the common region. So means our common solution is from minus 3 to 8, but keep in mind minus 3 is not included, 8 is included. So we are having open interval towards minus 3 and closed interval towards 8. Now we will find out the common solution set. So your solution set means always the complete solution. So complete solution will be what? X belongs to minus 3 comma 8 union 5, which is equal to this. 5 means no solution. So it means our final answer is minus 3 comma 8.